This 2023 Palomino Columbus 384RK is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Scott, Louisiana, 70583 and is offered for sale by Gauthiers RV Center. This new Palomino is 42 feet 2 inches in length and features 3 slideouts, a bark with two-tone interior, sleep 6, spare tire kit, refrigerator, TV, stove-top burner, slideout, auxiliary battery, leveling jacks, air conditioning, skylight, water heater, and 75 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bath and a half, couples coach, front bath, rear kitchen, 2 entry, exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Palomino Columbus 384RK is 12,727 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Gauthiers RV Center, visit RVUSA.com.